Alright, HVAC people, let's see what's going on. Honestly, I think it's a no cooling call. I don't even know, folks. We're gonna see if we can get some footage though. Here's no cooling call to a leak around this time of year. Alright, let's see what's up, though. Still doing their thing. Alright. Alright, we'll take a look at the AC unit.
Okay. You just need access to the back?
I'm not sure what's going on.
Okay, hold on.
Alright. Thank you. Hello. Yeah.
AC guy. Okay, he said he don't know well.
They said you go upstairs.
Alright. What you got going on, sir?
Put the little upstairs. There's something going on there.
Okay.
When you turn it on, I feel like it's too cool. Let me turn that light on.
Okay.
And watch, you'll hear that hum.
Oh yeah, yeah. Is it getting hot? It's not blowing at all. Okay. Sound like no. It sounds like a fan I turned on. And what about the filters? Like the filter need to be replaced.
You get what that is?
Yeah. No, I'm just saying that's what it is, but it needs to be replaced because they dirty. But it sounds like that.
We changed that right there.
Okay. All right. So that's a 20 by 30 by 1. Go ahead and get another one of those. Okay. 20 by 30 by 1. All right. And I'm gonna get in the attic. Sound like a fan. Not turning on.
We was thinking about doing it right, man. We don't know about no.
Yeah. Now we'll take care of it. All right.
You said 20 by 30 by 1?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm about to run to the store.
All right. All right, folks. So 73 in the house. Kind of overcast out there today. It's about 77 degrees. Yep, you hear it? See which one it is here. So that's gonna be the upstairs unit. All right, so we're gonna see if we got a bad motor or a capacitor here. Oh, it feels kind of cool up in here, but they got 2 units, that's why. I seen some fans upstairs. Somebody disconnect that flow switch then. I ain't bring no tools. I'm gonna have to run and get some tools. My drill, meter, and then what year this unit is? 2007. Man, they got a lot going on down there for dog, kids. Man, I'm kind of hoping it's just a cap. Hope it's the cap, but I don't know. Alright, is it moving at all, folks? Alright, so I'm gonna make sure we ain't got no power going here. So we know we got power going to the motor when we got power to it. That's why it's making that noise. Let's see. Hopefully, if this original cap, might be a chance that it's the capacitor, but oh no, it's the motor, man. It's seized up. It's seized up. So it's not the capacitor. Check the capacitor, but that motor's stiff. So this is, let's see what this is. 10 microfarad. All right. Let's see what we're getting on here. Ohms. Alright, so I'm getting about 7 microfarad. But like I say, it's not the capacitor though. So we need a new cap and new motor, but let's see what's up. Alright, see what old Carrie got the motors going for. I'm gonna put a work order in, see if we can get it replaced. Yeah, so put this up under here, see if you can see the stiffness. See that? Barely spins, so I need a new motor. Alright folks, I'm gonna go ahead and try to take this motor off. I'm trying to contact Carrie here. And order a new one. At least get it out of here. So I like to cut my wires right here. So we just plug and play. Plug and play. Take my control board off. Alright, do I need to take the control board off? Let's take this off first. Take this switch off first here. And we can leave this on here like this, I guess. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get to that screw here. Seems like Carrie gonna be busy this Monday morning. So hard dealing with carriers sometimes, folks. These neck of the wood. Alright. So I need 5/15 screw up here I need to get to. I was calling to see if you pricing and availability on a blower motor.
All right, give me just a moment. Let me pull up my price, parts breakdown. What's the serial number on that unit?
I have a 1307, 1307, A as an alpha, 30942. You say woo, you almost scared me there.
It just brought up every different version of that model line whenever I looked it up.
Okay.
So, we happen to have the model number, product number as well, would you?
Yeah, I got everything.
What comes after the 110 on it?
After the 1.3?
110?
110, I got a 22.
22. So 110.
Yeah, I got 110, then I got 13122.
Perfect. That's what I need. You need the motor?
Yeah. Motor and cap.
What branch y'all normally shop at?
I usually stop out of Katy, but I'm in Humble, so I wanted it. Wanted out the Humble branch.
See them things like that. It's got a few of those motors.
Say that again?
Humboldt has a few of those motors. You say you need a capacitor as well, right?
Yeah.
Alright. That'd be good. Want me to go ahead and put an order in at the Humboldt store for you?
Yeah. What's pricing?
Just, they're going to have to fill up your account. What's your moving account?
Phone number?
Okay.
713-570-6539.
Washington, AC?
Yes.
Perfect. What would you like that job name to be on there?
You can do 13122.
Give me just a second, I'll have a total price for you on the motor and capacitor. Grand total taxes and all can be $551.01.
All right, put in wheel car.
Yes, sir. Got it on there for you already.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
You got an order number?
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Order number is going to be...
All right, folks. Oh, motor expensive. $500 for the motor, folks. $500. It's 2007 unit. Almost what? Shoot, 20 years though. I think it's worth it, folks. A lot of people want this. Ouch. Yeah, that motor hot. Gonna get up out of here. All right, so they're gonna filter, folks. So y'all think, I think it's normal wear and tear. But I think the filter caused premature failure. I don't know if I can reach that. Gotta go dig a ladder. Try to change the filter for him, man. There's a lot of men in this house, though, man. Change your own filter. That's pretty bad, though.